All right, that should be good enough. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How are we feeling? How are we feeling? How are we feeling? Taking my sweet time this morning. We have 10 a.m. news. I also started a little bit late today. Somewhat apologies, but I already know that I'm not going to try and get into a trade before 10 a.m. today. So that's why I was kind of dragging my feet this morning. But let's do the usual things. Got my markups here. That's usually all I like to have, just the opening range, the first 15 minutes. Don't think it'll do too much today, but I say that every single day. I say that every single morning. I say that every single morning, and then I wind up using the opening range, and this is why I keep it. That's why I keep it. So let's see, my lovely people. How are we doing? How are we doing? Refrancing. This price action is garbage. Price action is price action. Price action is price action. Just control what you can do. All right, so we're just dumping right now. Here's my opening range. I mean, it's, I don't really see too much I could do right here, which is fine for me. It's Friday. I usually don't like to trade on Friday, but I didn't go flawless this week, so I'm just, scanning the markets to see if I get an easy opportunity. If it's not easy or crystal clear, I'll leave it alone. So let's look at what we got here. It looks like we've been doing nothing but just dumping down. Holy crap, yeah. So we have three black bars just going to the downside. No type of retracement. No sign of any upside. Just nothing. I'm gonna drop it down to the 1 minute, and obviously it's just gonna be extremely bearish. Yep. So what do we do in a situation like this? We do nothing. We do nothing. No retracement. Just, hey, we're just going down. Sometimes the market is going to be like that. So let me get my life situated here. Let me get my streams up, my chats. All my chats up on the screen that you can't see. Hades 199, what's up, dude? Hope you're having an amazing day. Hope you're having an amazing trading day. Put this over there. You know what? I'm gonna OBS this one. Yeah, there's no need for me to be typing in chat today, so. Yeah, there we go. Have something like that, so I don't have to keep on flip-flopping back and forth. Bow. I'm gonna do this right here. Glad to hear it, Hades. Glad to hear it. Looking like we're gonna have a very slow but one-directional day today so far. So we'll see. I'm not in any type of rush. Looking for setups on Ethereum. We have a crypto trader in the house. My reach is broadening, expanding. Me personally, I don't want anything to do with crypto at the moment. So there is that. I do have a little bit of XRP though, but this is not financial advice. And I need to get that banner. That's gonna be my mission this weekend. I need to get that banner that says, "Hey, this is not financial advice." All that other stuff like the other streamers. I need to do that. So I don't get sued into oblivion, I guess. All right, we're going straight down here once again. Little retracement, right back down. I don't think there's anything you could have done. Let's drop it down to an extremely low time frame. The 5 second. There's not even too much right there, so. Yeah, nothing you could have done. Maybe you could have played a little 15-second fair value gap or something like that, but yeah. Yep, nothing we can do here, guys. Nothing we can do here besides watch it go down. And I'm here for it. I'm here for all the smoke. All the smoke. So I'm not going to be talking all that much. I'm going to try and bring this music up just a little bit. Hopefully it's not overpowering. I'm about to check in 1 second. Yeah, do something like that. Give me a little mic test. Mic test. 1, 2, 3. Let's see how that sounds. Mic test. 1, 2, 3. I'm talking directly into the mic. I'm talking away from the mic somewhat. Mic test. Mic test. Mic test. Mic test. Okay, yeah, I think that's fine. So we'll just go from there. Suerte. Oh, trampa. I hope I said that shit right. What's up, man? Man and or woman. Glad to have you here on the stream, guys. Glad to have you here on the stream. Guys, if you could do me a quick favor, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that little subscribe button. Helps out the channel, so I can keep on doing this. Leave it a like, share it with your friends, share it with your other trader friends. Let them know what an awesome job I'm doing or lack thereof. It's up to you. I would appreciate the subscribe. Alright guys, so every single time frame is bearish. In order for me to get in, I am more of a retracement type of guy. So in order for me to get involved, I need serious retracements. And we do have 10 a.m. news coming out. No need to... I mean, there's really no need to do anything right now, honestly. There's no need to do anything right now. Marking up my SBS. This could be very dangerous in the fact that we are pretty far away. We're pretty expanded away from the 200 here. So it might benefit us to start looking for a reversal of some sorts. It might benefit us to start looking for a reversal if this trend doesn't want to hold. 20 is very far away from the 200. You know, might want to start thinking about being neutral right here. It's a little cool here on my side of the world, so I'm taking the coffee hot and black this morning. Yeah, I've been on my iced coffee phase for a while. I usually don't take it iced, but nice little change of pace. Get away from the black stuff. Put a little creamer in there. Shake it up a little bit. And here we are. Looks like we're about to come for a new low here. So I'm not about to start chasing this. Just gonna let it be. 30 seconds until news, guys. 30 seconds until news. Check your positions if you're in a position. Make sure it's what you want, because the market's about to make a decision here. All right, decision time. Decisions. Let's zoom out a little bit. See what's going on. Holy hell. All right. So that sticks out in my mind right there. And this is also sticking out to my eyes real quick. So let's go back to recent price. Yeah. All right, so we may want to just swipe these two lines right here. Probably with the swiftness too. Being very patient here, guys, because there's not too much for us to do, unfortunately. If you're a breakout trader, you're probably in heaven right now, but I'm not. I'm not one of those. I need retracements and stuff like that to get into a trade. So I'm not gonna FOMO into this, but I'm pretty sure we should do something like this really quickly. When it wants to do it, I don't know. Might do it right now. It may come up a little bit and then take it, but it should take that. Should take that. Ooh wee! I missed you, hot coffee. My goodness. All right, that's one level that just got tapped, but I'm still expecting a little bit of strength here. I'm expecting like a pukage. And there's nothing I can do about it at the moment. Little up jump right there, nothing serious. right, small little tap right there. Found some buyers. Could be just people trying to exit their position. That was a pretty major level right there. All right, big jump right there. Not getting too excited here. This could be just a little test of the 20, and we rush right back down. But that was a pretty decent rejection out of that area. The biggest one we've seen so far, so. Could try and play an engulfing panel right here and see if we can test this wick. Yeah. Maybe we can see something like this. It's working out though. It's definitely working out. Wow. Yeah, that could have been like your first little scalpy scalp right there. Getting some rejections here. Look like bulls have came to play right now. Yeah, it looks like bulls are coming out to play. Let's see. Huge bounce right there, guys. Huge bounce. It's kind of dangerous shorting at this level. A little on the dangerous side. Price could just be confused right now. But I'll give it a shot.
Order filled.
Whoa, that's 3 micros. Is that much? Whoa.
Order
That's crazy. Did not know it would be that much. Wow, there's some serious volume in today, guys. Yeah, I might just take this off. Yeah, I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Okay. Wow, that was some serious volume that just came in right there. That was 3 micros. That would have been a $200 hit had I held it. Wow. That's something. All right, so it's looking like that bulls want to do something here, so we may just kerfuffle right here. We might just kerfuffle. We want to let Price try and figure out what she wants to do. Yeah, glad we got out of that one. Yeah, this UMO doesn't look like it's trying to hold. May have found some bears. I mean, some bulls here, guys. May have found some bulls. In fact, let me make sure I lock out my settings. And let's see what else we can do here. That is a bullish engulfing. Wow. Okay, guys. Should be trying to take this to the upside now. I mean, I could try. It's running. It's running with no retracement here. Yeah, she is starting to run. No retracement at all. Wow, did we ever find some bulls right there? Looks like they want to take this all the way up. Wowzers. And I'm technically down right now. It sucks. Let's see if we get some type of retracement. Yeah, should have been a little bit more patient with that first trade. Should have been a little bit more patient. We were very low. And it made every type of sense for buyers to just come up and at least pop this thing up a little bit. That bullish engulfing was pretty rad right there. Go on 30 seconds. So any type of retracement here would be pretty good. 3, if we get it. If we can get it. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I just need some type of sweep of these areas right here. Alright guys, I'm thinking about trying a long in a second. But I need this to get swept first. Being very mindful of the bigger bearish SBS, but I'm thinking that we need to pull up a little bit higher before we go lower. Lot of indecision right here. Man, I was trying to nail this Model 1 SBS right here. If we would have punched down a little bit lower, it's okay. It is a-okay. Yeah, that bullish engulfing would have been really nice. Alright guys, staying very patient right here. I'm gonna switch back to shorts. Even though it could be done, but let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. It's just a lot of bullish pressure right now. I'm just not too sure if price wants to keep continuing down after we rejected very hard right there. So we'll see. We will see. Kind of wish I didn't take that first trade. It was very unlikely. All right, starting my count here. Is this the start of it? Is this the start of the trickle down? Could be. If it is, I want to be in with some minimal risk. Oh, nope, not yet. Not yet, it seems. All right,
Order filled.
giving that a shot. Why is everything so expensive today? Wow. Okay. Everything is expensive today. Okay, cool. Cool. She may have just faked me out right here, guys. So I'm gonna wait for one more punch up. Seems to be the story of my my trading career right now. Always trading for break even, it seems. I should have known that she was gonna do that though. Hit this little fair value gap and then push right back up. Alrighty, so here's your proper 5. So if we see any bearishment from right there, I'll think about taking it. Something told me she was gonna fake me out right there too, and I still did it. Yeah, these little paper cuts are starting to get annoying. Okay.
Order filled.
Try that one more time. Just 2 micros this time. A little bit of room to add here. That's crazy. That is 2 micros. Like, what is this volume? Yeah, this volume is just insane right now, guys. I might just put it right here. Kind of like that reaction, but man, I don't have too much to add here.
Order filled.
We can get a closure below here on the 30-second. That'd be fantastic. That's 3 micros. Just get down to the low would be 800s. Wow. All right, we've seen this before. I'm gonna just let it be. I'm gonna just let it be for right now, guys. Wow. Okay, we're getting chopped up. We're getting chopped up. Getting chopped up today. All right.
Order filled.
Okay. All right, guys. Ah, boy. Well, what can I say? That's how it goes. I'm on the wrong end of the trade. These bulls just will not stop. It doesn't look like there's too much I can do about it. Let me just look at everything. Yeah. I don't even have enough room to play shorts. It's alright. Just doesn't seem like they want to give up. Doesn't seem like they want to give up, guys. So I'm going to try this one more time, and then that'll be it for me for today. Look at 15. Yeah, we'll look at the 15-minute. Yeah. Okay, guys. Well, we're cooked. That's gonna be it for me today. Wow, I got caught on the wrong end of volume. It is what it is. Well, guys, we tried it. We saw what we wanted to see, and we couldn't get it. So that's going to be it. Yep, down 450, down a lot this week. All right, guys, I got to go break something. I'm ending the stream. I will see you guys on the next one.